okay? In my opinion, this is the best invention they ever made for a dog. Okay, it's okay. I've already vacuumed him for 3 days and have gotten a full bag of fur. Look. That's nothing. He loves it. This is by far the most amazing contraption I have ever used on a dog. And he loves it. Look at the fur. It goes into the vacuum. And look, you also get a whole, can you see it, Matt? A whole thing of tools for clipping and sucking all the fur off of the furniture. And it has 3 different speeds. And he will just lay here for an hour and let me look at the fur on here. Boom, gone. When that fills up, we empty it and we start again. I don't know how much more fur I can get off of them. Every day we brush, 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 and we get more and more off. Highly recommended if you have a dog that sheds. Like mine. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Is it off? with
just starting.
Our new toy, our new tool. So the vacuum's been on for a few minutes. We're brushing down Abby. The hair is not going all over my house like it usually does, but look at that. That's after just a few minutes of brushing her. That is the grooming attachment. It's being sucked in, or it would be sucked into the vacuum chamber.
First time.
This is her first time being vacuumed, and she's doing really well with it. The machine's very quiet. You know, I'm holding her collar just because I don't want her to walk away for purposes of the video, but she's really doing well with it, and the machine is super quiet. We haven't used the other attachments yet, but she's doing really well with it, and I'm pretty pleased with that result. That's amazing to me.
There, look pretty.
He's a good boy. I swear he likes it. Look your arm up. Good boy, Jack. He got his tongue sticking out. It's a spotty. Here's a spotty. Look at all the hair.
I done bought this for De Niro to cut his hair. It's got a blow dryer attached to it. Look at this. I am so happy with this thing. Blows the hair right inside there while you cutting it. He look like a new dog. He don't smell like one though. I gotta wash him. Look at all this. But usually I have to put a paper bag, a plastic bag down and hair everywhere. This is great.
Do I get inside the computer? So easy to use that my 8-year-old could use it.
So soft. Feel his ear. Feel his ear.
The hair that I gathered so far.
Feel his ear. So soft.
babae. Kailangan lang talaga yan.
So you vacuum, like you comb her, and then you just press the button, and it sucks it all in.